भारत कमजोर हो? क्या कहते भारत कमजोर हो? हमें भारत को मजबूत करना है तो मजबूत नेतृत्व नरेंद्र मोदी को तीसरी बार जिताकर लाना है और एक नई तिरंगा चलाने आई है कि हमें किले को फेंकने भी हमारी बहन माधवी लता आई है। हमारा एमपी कैसा हो?
Hyderabad BJP candidate Madhavi Lata holding a roadshow there along with Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur on her way to file the nomination for the crucial Lok Sabha election. Hyderabad parliamentary constituency of course has grabbed a lot of eyeballs because not only is she the first female candidate to be contested or put forth by the BJP in this constituency, but she's taking on Asaduddin Owaisi, who has held onto this bastion. His family has had this bastion for the last 40 years, so it's not going to be an easy challenge as far as BJP is concerned, but they're certainly hopeful of making a dent this time around. Let me get you updates from the ground. You can see Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur there campaigning for Madhavi Lata. This is Gulzar House area. The first phase or first pit stop was of course the Bhagyalakshmi temple, where they paid or they did puja at the Bhagyalakshmi temple, and now you can see Madhavi Lata there waving towards the media and making her way through Gulzar House to Lakdi Ka Pool, where she will be filing her nomination. Along with her is Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur, in fact, who has been campaigning for her. He traded sharp attacks at Owaisi, calling him the B team of the Congress. Rahul Gandhi particularly saying that he has been somebody who's associated with one family, one rule, always allegedly playing on the communal lines. You've also seen that, in fact, Madhavi Lata waving at the crowd as she makes her way to file nomination. Like I said, this is going to be an interesting fight to look out for, and definitely a high-profile constituency as far as Hyderabad is concerned, Telangana is concerned. Asaduddin Owaisi has been an MP from this region since 2004. Madhavi Lata making her debut against Asaduddin Owaisi is likely to, in fact, whether or not she'll make a dent, that result will be seen on the 4th of June. Voting here is on the 13th. High decibel battle here in Hyderabad. You're going to file your nomination today. Any thoughts?
I would just say that I have started with the Kaval Fool from Bhagyalakshmi Mandir. So it's a great blessings to me. We already won this. It's just that a process that we are going through a nomination and then elections. This time we are going to come up with BJP Sarkar in Hyderabad Lok Sabha.
What is your manifesto for this particular constituency? You're up against Owaisi. He has been an MP or has had a grip in this area since last 40 years. Tough contest?
He never had even a manifesto. What kind of a contest even I'm fighting with a man who has no manifesto? That is how a parliamentarian needs to be. And he gets the best parliamentarian award who has no manifesto. Oh my God. Imagine a party without a manifesto. And in my manifesto are everything that Bajpa or Narendra Modi has given. The 12 assurances are desperate requirement of the present Lok Sabha Parliament of Hyderabad. Apart from that, we have to toughly fight with the the Congress government here also in getting them a good road facility, drainage system, water facility, the schools here. So we have to also bring out the responsibility which is not being shown by the state government also.
Prime Minister has also endorsed you. Any thoughts on that? Prime Minister has taken to Twitter to congratulate you on a particular interview that you have done. Any word with the Prime Minister? Have you spoken to him after that?
Not really, but the way I'm getting a wonderful support from the center, I'm sure Narendra Modi bhai would be excited when we win the seat. I'm sure he would go out of the way to really make this the real true golden parliament in next 5 years.
My final question before I let you go. A video has surfaced which has grabbed a lot of eyeballs about you allegedly directing a bow and arrow towards a mosque. What's the truth behind it?
I have never pointed out towards a mosque. I pointed it towards the sky. And I am sure there is no mosque in the sky.
So that's a video which is, do you think fabricated video is doing the rounds? What is it?
The video has been panned after my action totally in a different angle over the mosque. And Asaduddin has taken undue advantage of a video which is not true.
But it has hurt the Muslim community. It has hurt the Muslim community whose vote you want for this constituency.
It has not provoked any Muslim community. It has people have been arranged to be provoked. Few people who are uski chamche.
On that note, all the very best. We keep seeing you ahead in the election season.
Thank you.